everyone, we are inviting you all to buy art stone. We have plenty of stone for you. First, we have quartz, commonly used for kitchen countertops. It's durable, stain resistant, and also easy to clean. We also have sintered stone. Ginagamit siya for kitchen countertop, wall, flooring, and more. And it is stain resistant, heat resistant, and easy to clean.
Ito ang ating artificial marble. Pwede natin itong gamitin for kitchen top, wall, at saka sa ating mga flooring. At isa pa dito ay very affordable and easy to clean.
At kung naghahanap ka naman ng tiles, meron kaming binibenta at a very affordable price and available on different sizes. Meron kaming granite stairs and we do customize step stairs na kayo mismo ang pwedeng mamili ng design na gusto niyo.
Affordable wash basin ba ang hanap nyo? We got your back. Buy Art Stone ay merong mga on-hand na wash basin na available dito sa aming store.
At hindi lang yan. Nag-i-import din kami ng mga item for customers katulad ng mga windows, shelves, cabinets, at iba pang interior designs related items. Kaya message us.